All right, so I'm gonna be honest, I already peeked in this box because I had to get a post up on Instagram for the month of October for Thredup so that I could get my free $50 for being a Thredup ambassador. Yeah, we're gonna do this unboxing. I have my daughter here as usual. It's a fun box, so let's roll that intro and get right into this unboxing. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived on my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. I have my daughter here and our newest little family member. We just came back from the vet and found out that she is a girl. I had thought she was a boy. You know, it happens. She's fine. Tiny. She weighs only a pound, so she's very underweight for 9 weeks old.
And she is very interested in this Thredup box.
She's on top of the Thredup box as we speak.
It has to be good.
And we are officially announcing today that her name is Clove. Livy liked that name the best, so it worked out that she was a girl because I liked it more for a girl cat than a boy, and now she's running around in circles chasing her tail. Okay, so as we said, we have a Thredup Fun Box. This one's from Phoenix, Arizona. I did already peek in it just to make that post. I didn't look at everything, but I do know there's one good thing in here that I'm excited for. So if you've never bought from a Thredup before, the rescue boxes for the Fun Box are 10 completely random items. Sometimes I get a couple more, but it's always at least 10, and it could be a range of things. Usually there's at least one pair of tights or socks, but I have sold, I think, all but maybe 1 or 2 tights or socks that I've gotten from all of the Thredup Fun Boxes I've ever done. So without further ado, open her up. They can't see that. Okay, this is what it looks like. We have the receipt here, and removing the paper, this is the first looks. You want to go first or me?
Socks!
Look at that.
Think that's Kikia?
That's what I would say. They're like Argyle pattern.
Yeah, Argyle pattern with a dog on the back.
Oh, I was wondering what that was on the back. Cute.
Do not chew on these, ma'am.
And she's gonna chew on your arm instead. Okay, we have a bag with some sunglasses, and they appear to be from Universal Thread, which is Target. Brand new, obviously, and they are a green color. They were originally $15 adult sunglasses. Yeah, you know the rule. If there are sunglasses in a box, I'm wearing them on my face until the end of the video. That's not the thing that I was talking about, but that's another good one.
Oh.
Go ahead, pill it.
What were you talking about?
You'll see.
I wanna know.
Look at her face. That's not the one. You want that one.
This one?
You want this one. This is the one.
Oh. Yeah, that's what I pointed to.
Oh, yeah. I thought you wanted to do that one.
No.
Oh.
I was letting you have that
You're
one.
a mess. No, I don't want that one.
Bag.
A purse from XOXO. Gossip Girl. No, does it have a brand on the front?
I think the brand is XOXO.
Okay, that's what I thought. All right, so it looks to be in decent condition.
Take the good one.
This one?
Yes.
Not the good one.
We'll take that one.
This is the one that Livy says is the good one.
Well, I haven't looked through it.
It's a Coach
Because I'm not a snoop.
But it's got some stains. And I can't tell if it's supposed to be kind of like ombre. I'm gonna guess yes, but there are a few small stains on the front and the back, down in the lighter area. Let's see. Is it a YKK zipper? Yes, it is a YKK zipper, so most likely authentic. I'll have to do some more research. There is no Creed inside, though it does look pretty okay. There are some small surface stains, but it's okay.
Bracelets.
Those are cute.
They say happy vibes, and they have smiley faces on them.
If you like gold jewelry, those would be cute for you, I think.
Probably.
All right, where are they from? Anywhere?
I think the brand's on the front.
They were $24.95. Altered State. I have sold a couple clothing pieces from Altered State before. Alrighty. Yeah, those are the ones that I was excited about, so you could do those. I want to do them. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this. This is a pocketable parka, size extra large, women.
Ma'am, what are you doing to that box?
I'm not gonna pull it out, but it looks to be new. It's still got its little hanger thing. So yeah, a little pocket jacket that fits in this little pouch. It would be really good for traveling.
Next, we have such a fancy brand. Wow, Claire's.
Hey, remember that one time we spent like an hour and a half in Claire's?
Shut up. It has a C on it.
Cool. Do you have any friends you can give it a little keychain? What even is it?
Not that I think would enjoy it.
Is it a keychain? Yeah. Like a little key clippy thing. It was $12.99.
It's not very their style.
Okay. All right, I'll do these then. Okay, these are the ones that I was excited about, or this is the thing that I was excited about. So when I opened it, it looked like this. And it says Sorel, if you can see that. It also says Sorel here. I love selling this brand. I don't have super good luck selling the sandals, but I will not complain about getting Sorel in a Thredup Fun Box where my average cost of goods is typically about $4. So the chunky treads look pretty good. There is an issue, at least on this one, where it's hard to see, but the elastic has kind of just separated from the rest of the strap, but it doesn't affect the wear. And these are a size women's 8.
I don't know what this is. Never mind.
You don't want to do that one?
No. Bangle thing.
Like a little bangle cuff. Is it from anywhere?
I don't see a brand anywhere.
What's the sticker say?
$8.99.
Oh, wow. Put it on, let's see how it looks.
It's way too big for my wrist.
Well, okay. It's got like little delicate chains on the outside, so it's an alright piece of like costumey jewelry, I guess. I'll do this one since you don't wanna. Alright, this is from Victoria's Secret. So this is bag number 3. This is like a travel, little travel bag. So there's a pouch at the top that says sexy little things. Is that why you didn't want to do this one? Okay. And then underneath it says bras. So, you know, you'd put your unmentionables in here. And then there's a little satin pouch. Oh, it's divided. A little divided satin pouch up here. And then you zip it and you have a little carry case. So you can throw that in your luggage. So the last item.
PJs.
Yeah, we do get a lot of PJs in these too. I've sold most of them.
I like plaid goldeny yellow.
Like a goldenrod? Or is it just my glasses? No, they're more of just a gold. Where is it from? Anywhere good? No red. It doesn't seem like the best quality. The cat is very interested.
1.
So definitive. 2.
3.
4.
5.
6.
7.
8. 9. Did we only get 9 this time? What fresh hell is that? Did they count the pajamas as 2 things?
Probably.
Wow, that's lame, even for Thredup. Alright, so other than the Sorel shoes, which were definitely my favorite of the bunch, this box was it was okay. What was your favorite item? The gremlin. She's so little. You like the Altered State necklaces?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
bracelets.
Those are cute. Oh, bracelets, sorry. The Altered State bracelets. Okay, so that's what we have to share for this video with the cat. If you enjoyed this at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. Let us know in the comments down below. I can't speak, don't laugh at me.
I was laughing at your sunglasses.
Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite item from this box was. And if you're not already subscribed,
do it.
Clove says, please subscribe. We would love to have you here in this weirdo little family that we share on the internet. So I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.